So models is another key concept which you must know. As I told you, there are so many models. You can go through this URL and you can see what are there are different number of models over there. So the related to models, I want to give some description, like the API is powered by a set of models with different capabilities and price points. So every model charges differently. Every model has less or more capabilities. They have some limitations regarding tokens. They have some different related to the request per minute or whatever. So all at present, at this moment, they have 64 different models actually. GPT-4 is the latest model and it is the most powerful model. It has created on top of GPT 3.5, and GPT 3.5 Turbo is the model that powers ChatGPT, and it is for the conversational formats like the chatbot or whatever question completions and whatever things we do. It's not for the image generation and all. So these are the regarding the models. Actually, you see, these models you need to understand the very important models like GPT-4, then GPT 3.5, Del E. This is related to image. Whisper is related to text to speech, audio into text. Embeddings are related to text into numerical format. Moderation, this is very important. Before sending request to server, you can moderate if there are any sensitive or unsafe keywords which can block your account. So whenever you use these moderation APIs, they will warn you kind of, okay, these are the sexual context or whatever, like that. And GPT-3 was the old model, and Codex is deprecated, the last one. This is the deprecated. Now they have stopped using Codex actually. And these are the API endpoints which are compatible with these different model names actually. So you will, if you are a developer, then only these models are important for you. These endpoints are important for you. And whenever you write code, you will have to embed your endpoints like this. So if you see, this is very important. GPT-4 has max tokens 8192. Okay. GPT-4 0314 has the limit of 8192 tokens actually. GPT-4 32K, this is the latest model, has 32768 tokens is the limit, and like that. So you need to understand and send the max token parameter as per your understanding and requirement. But remember, number of tokens, whatever number of maximum tokens you are sending, actual data I am saying, you will be charged accordingly. Okay, so it will eat up your credit card usage. So again, code Da Vinci and all. Okay, so let's stop here. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you very much for being with me.